Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the sidebar in this device. So in this device I already enabled the sidebar. You can see this is a sidebar. So here you can see a small line. Just swipe invert this line. Just like this, you can see this is a sidebar. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option gestures. Here you can see the option sidebar. Tap on it. Okay, then turn on this one. Then you can see a line here. Just swipe inverse the line. Okay, if you want, you can see lots of application in the sidebar. So if you want to open any application from, if you open any application from the sidebar, it will act as a floating window. Just I will show you. I'm going to open this application photos. You can see like a floating window. Again another application. So here I am going to open the application calculator. Now you can see floating window. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable and use the sidebar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.